the differences between ser and estar in Spanish. En esta clase les voy a hablar un poco más acerca de las diferencias entre los verbos ser y estar del español. In the first lessons, if you take a look at the compiled video number 1, there I explained that the verb ser is used for more permanent states, while estar for more impermanent. That rule is very important and very useful. However, it's a bit incomplete, and I will complete it with this short lesson. En la primera clase, o mejor dicho, en el primer video compilado, les expliqué que el verbo ser se usa para estados más permanentes y el verbo estar para más impermanentes. Esa regla es muy útil y muy buena, pero falta completarla con algo que daremos en esta clase de hoy. So, Spanish verbs ser and estar, they both translate as the verb to be from English. El verbo ser y el verbo estar, los dos se traducen como el verbo to be del inglés. So, the verb ser is always used when we are telling the time, right? So, for example, es la 1 de la tarde, it is 1 o'clock. Or, dentro de poco serán las 3 de la tarde. Soon it's gonna be 3 in the afternoon. Okay? So for telling the time, always we use the verb ser. Así que usamos el verbo ser siempre que vamos a indicar la hora o decir la hora. And we use the verb estar always when referring to the location of something or somebody. Usamos el verbo estar siempre que hacemos referencia o estamos hablando de la ubicación de alguna cosa o de alguien. Por ejemplo, for example, yo estoy aquí, I am here. Yo estoy aquí, I am using verb estar. Estoy en casa, I am at home. El árbol está allá afuera, the tree is outside. Okay? So every reference to a location of something or somebody always uses the verb estar. Toda ubicación de cualquier cosa o cualquier persona siempre se hace referencia con el verbo estar, not the verb ser. For example, also when we are saying that we are with somebody, right? Estoy con mi hermano. I am with my brother. I am here with my brother. Estoy aquí con mi hermano. So also when referring to being with somebody. So being at certain location, and also being with somebody. With something or someone, okay? With something or someone. Some more examples, let's see. I'm right now with you. Ahora estoy con ustedes. Estoy is verb estar in the present tense, okay? Ahora son las 12 del mediodía. Right now it is 12 noon, okay? 12 at noon. So, for the time, ahora son las 12. We use the verb ser for time. Dentro de una hora, in 1 hour, va a ser la 1 de la tarde. It's gonna be 1 o'clock. Va a ser, again, ser, because I'm talking of time, okay? Now, I want to say, let's combine this. A la 1 de la tarde estaré en casa. Okay? Look at this. A la 1 de la tarde estaré en casa. At 1. In the afternoon, at 1 in the afternoon. De la tarde means of the afternoon. Estaré, I will be, en casa, at home. Okay? So here we are talking about time. However, the verb is not referring to the time. The verb is referring to the place, the location where I will be at 1 o'clock. Okay? So the verb is not referring to time. The verb is referring to location. Therefore, we use the verb estar. Okay? This sentence has a location and a time reference. Okay? But don't get confused. The verb is referring to the location. Therefore, we use verb estar. Okay, this short class was mainly to give you this short rule to add to what we already had. So, ser, always when telling the time. Estar, always when referring to a location or being with somebody or being with something. Okay?